So we learn about the copy also. We already learned all the basics of the maps. Now we can make some program. Suppose I wanted to check the frequency of word, and that is actually inside in this string. So we have one paragraph, and suppose I wanted to check, suppose COVID is the word. I wanted to check how many frequency will get it. So guys, if you wanted to have the number of words, so I can put as a word as a key, and the value of the frequency I can put it as a, let's make a one program, and over here I'll just simply say count word. Countword.go. Okay. And here we'll say make, and this is my functions. So this is a sample string. Okay, from here we will actually get the all the occurrence, actually all the frequency of it. This paragraph or the complex string, first we will split this string into the words format. So first thing is how to split it into words. We can simply write down, okay, we can use the string as a package, and filled is the one of the functions. We are just getting the lowercase, and whatever the text we will pass it. So all the words will become as the form of array format. Okay, so we can check it also, fmt.println, and we will write down all the words. Let's run it. cls go run count word. So we can see all the things came into the array format, right? Second thing is, this is done. Okay, create a map to store the word count. So second thing is we need to create a map, and there we will store all the counts. So this is the map we have. There we will actually key whatever the word. Suppose I actually wanted to say clean or anything like go is the word, I wanted to be check how many count we have it. Okay, next thing is we need to be count the occurrence. So how we will do, we need to definitely run a loop on it. Okay, so we'll say 4, and this is the index. We are running the loop on the array right now, and word, and here we'll get the word range. So inside it we'll pass the word, and we'll get the plus sign over here also, right? And suppose if we need to be trim the value, that could possible white space or something also, we can trim it also. How? We will say word, whatever the word we have, we'll use the strings is the functions, and over here use the trim. Okay, string is the package, and we'll use the trim is the functions. Over here we'll write down word, comma separated. We wanted to replace with dot, comma, could be possible. Exclamation also we have question mark. Okay, so meaning is this is the punctuation also we're removing. So this we are removing, this we are removing, right? So these things we are removing, right? So these things we are removing. So these things we are removing, like comma we are removing. Okay, and question mark also. This is the way we can do. Okay, okay. If I'll print it this one, so let's see what is the output will become. So we can see all the words have the count. A has the 2 time, N has the 1 time, like a way we have, right? So if I run all this loop, if I wanted to print it through the loop, I can just simply run in the loop over here. So this is the way we can write down. So let me clean it. Let me run it. So this is the way, and every separate line will get. The question is maximum frequency word. Suppose most frequency word. So suppose most frequency will say 0 is the count. Now second thing is and we'll store the value into most frequented word into the in a variables over here, right? And now we have data into map, so we can say word and his count, and over here we'll write down the word count. Now if count is greater than to the max count, we have one of the max count right now is 0. So what we'll do, max count will add over here. Over here we will assign the max count. Okay, next thing is we should be find out most frequency word also, that we are assuming this is the most frequency word. Okay, let it be run the loop, and in the last we will get the count. Okay, this is the maximum count and this is the most frequency word. So let's run it. Over here we can say and is the word that is actually have the count 5, right? So this is the way we can actually get it. So already we have count. So guys, we want to filter it on the basis of how whatever the maximum frequency should become on the first. Okay, so to do this one I'm using one structure. Okay, I can do directly also, but I'm using over here structure, and this is a program. Over here we have word of frequency. We are taking the basically the type of this one, and this is the word of slice. Okay, word frequency slice. Over here word count, whatever we have this one on the running on the loop, we got word and count separately because this is the map. This value we are appending on this one. This is normal slice we have. right? And we are appending it normally, so one by one value will be goes to there, right? So this value will be hold the object on the first index exactly this one, and second index one by one it will goes to there. Now after that we are doing the sorting as a complex logic. We are doing sorting of slice, whatever the slice we have this one, and this is you can say one of the callback functions. There will pass ing. The first slice count should be greater than the second slice count, so all the count will be goes on the top. Let's run it. So we can see 5, 3, 3, 3 like away, and in the last it should be goes to the 1. So this is the way we can actually write down this way. Suppose whatever the result is came, I wanted to display top 5. I need to simply run a loop on it, and we have the condition over here the 5 is also. So value initialization 0 if I is actually this one and less than to 5 and whatever the length we have. So if the both I is less than of I, both the value, then till there actually we will display it. So let's run it. So over here we got it, and is 5, go is 3, that is 3, da is 3, and 2 is 3. So these are the top 5. So that's it guys. This is all about the map data structure. So this is the way you guys, similar to this one, you can make some program and do some practice. Please write down some suggestion or the comment. If you have something key, I wanted to learn this one, I didn't understand this one, I want to put up something over there, then please write down the comment. Thanks guys, have a nice day, see you in the next video.